isn't it? Nothing quite like going outside and seeing the garden to see a bunch of beautiful butterflies and busy bumblebees. Too bad the rising temperatures is gonna make it look like this in about 60 years. The hotter weather is a death sentence to the bugs we enjoy like butterflies, bees, and beetles. However, the annoying motherfuckers like flies and mosquitoes are loving it. There are currently 17 million flies for every person on Earth, and by 2080, their numbers are going to increase by 244%. This is because the heating planet stimulates flies' metabolisms, helping them reach sexual maturity earlier, breed more often, and produce more eggs. Think of the episode of Futurama where the oil got on the penguins, but instead it's global warming to flies. So higher temps, faster egg production, more flies, more disease. This is because flies spread diarrheal death diseases like dysentery and gastroenteritis due to the germs that they contract by eating poop. All these extra flies is going to result in an excessive amount of people shitting themselves to death. More of these bugs isn't all bad though. They do have some benefit for the environment. Flies are likely to become the new pollinator for plants after global warming makes all the bees die out. Flies belong to the group Diptera, originating 250 million years ago. It includes 100,000 different species, including flies and mosquitoes. While they can be disgusting diarrhea-inducing pests, flies and maggots do play important roles. The maggots feed on the decaying plants and the dead animals, making them nature's recycling bin. Also, maggots are the high protein and the main food source for birds, amphibians, and lizards. Adult flies cannot consume solid food due to their tube-like mouths, so they feed on blood, sweat, and nectar. Their diet of nectar helps them spread pollen from plant to plant. Due to global warming, we're going to be losing about 40% of the world's insects, especially our pollinating bees, within the next few decades. Unlike flies, whose populations are going to increase by 244%. So on one hand, the flies will help keep plants pollinated after hotter temperatures wipe out a bunch of our bee species. But on the other hand, there's going to be a whole bunch of bacterial diseases from these coprophasiacs, spreading the germs they contracted with their dookie diet. Future civilizations are really going to need to stock up on their antibiotics and their Imodium.